In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change kilometers to miles in your Waze settings. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, if you've been using Waze for navigation and prefer miles to kilometers, you'll find this tutorial particularly useful. Sometimes changing these settings can make a big difference, especially if you're more accustomed to one measurement unit over the other. So let's dive right in and get started on making that switch. First things first, you'll need to open the Waze app on your smartphone. Waze is a popular navigation app known for its real-time traffic updates and other useful driving features, so it's no surprise you want to customize it to better suit your needs. Assuming you have the app already installed, locate the Waze icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to launch the app. Once the app is open and ready to use, look for the hamburger menu, which is represented by three stacked horizontal lines. This is typically located on the top corner of your screen. Give it a tap to access a list of various options and features that the app offers. Now that you have the menu open, scroll through the various items until you see the option labeled Settings. Selecting Settings will lead you to a more detailed configuration menu where you can tweak your app preferences. In the Settings menu, you'll want to find and select General. This section contains a variety of basic settings you can adjust, including our main focus today, the distance units. Within General, you'll find several options, so take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the different customizations available. Next, you need to locate the Distance Units section. Here, you'll find a simple toggle feature that allows you to switch between kilometers and miles. It's incredibly user-friendly. If you prefer miles over kilometers, simply tap the toggle to switch it from km to mile. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the distance measurement in your Waze settings from kilometers to miles. This adjustment will be reflected in your navigation, making it easier for you to follow directions if you're used to thinking in miles. Remember, making these slight tweaks in the settings can greatly enhance your user experience. With Waze set up exactly how you like it, you're all set to navigate with ease and precision. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Safe travels!